How to know if someone read your messages on Messenger. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you the way on how you can know or find out if someone has read your messages which you have sent. But before we get started, if you're new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what you have to do is simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Messenger app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Messenger. Go ahead and then simply either download or update the Messenger app to the latest version. Once you've updated Messenger, what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically open it, let's say for example, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So let me open Messenger, and you can see a list of all of these options right over here. Now, let me just go ahead and then open up a certain chat, for example. So let me just go ahead and look for a certain chat. Now, after looking at this chat, I can actually tell that this person has read my messages. And the reason I can notice that is because at the bottom of my message, you can actually see their profile picture. So if you see the exact same profile picture and the ones on the bottom right corner, and you can also see, if I tap on it, you can see it says seen as well. If you see the little logo over there, it says seen. If I simply tap on it, if you see the profile picture, it basically means that they have read your messages or at least seen them. Now sometimes instead of this general profile picture, you might also simply see a check mark. Now what the check mark means that the message has been delivered, but the other person has not yet seen it. So that could also be another thing which you might want to understand over here. There are a bunch of different types of reasons and options and so on. There are different types of check marks as well. And this is simply the way on how you can find out if someone has read your messages. Now you can also see some of the messages that you have received. If you go ahead and open up any of them, I have seen this message. Now on that person's phone, my profile picture is going to show up at the bottom of the screen. But sometimes don't get fooled. You could also simply long press on it and then simply select mark as unread and so on. Hopefully this would have helped fix you and answer your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.